In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a dormer roof. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have a level that goes up to where your dormer roof should end. So I'm going to go to one of my elevation views over here. And you can see there already is a level here, which I added for the other dormer. But if you want to add a new level, because you don't have it, you would type level and over there. And then I highly recommend renaming it. So let's just say this is dormer roof. Yes. And now we can get out of this view. I'm going to close that. Okay. I'm going to go up to the second floor. And I'm going to draw some walls that are going to be exterior walls because that's it's going to be on the outside of the house. You always want to draw clockwise. Let's see, we have a window there. You're going to have to put it wherever you think it looks best for your house. Let me just throw some in there. All right. Oh, and I forgot to say where those were going up to. These are going to go instead to the dormer roof. We'll say 2 since I just created that one. I guess you can say it starts at the roof level. All right. And now they're not here because I'm drawing on the second floor instead of my roof, so there they are. All right. Now if I look at my 3D view, you can see I have walls coming through the roof, which is pretty realistic. So now if I go to my roof plan, which is right here, dormer roof, you can add in a roof. These 2 lines will define slope. The other will not. It doesn't let me pick this as a pick wall, so I'm just going to simply close off that back side. Make sure you have all 4 lines closed. Get the green check. And again, if we look at our 3D view, now we have a roof. You can attach your walls now if you want. So select all 3 walls and say attach the roof. We also want to, well, we might want to extend these walls back a little bit because as you see, they actually come out through the roof, not far enough. But while I'm here, I'm going to join this roof to this main roof. Okay. I'm going to go back to my roof plan and edit those walls. I can say hide that. Which I like using sunglasses better. All right, there we go. Now our walls close off, which is always nice. Now, this is where you use the dormer button right here under Architecture tab. Okay, so if I click dormer, you need to pick the main roof first, and then you will pick every feature that makes up the hole or it defines the hole in the roof that would be cut. And then this one. This one's always stubborn to pick. Let me see if I can just draw a line. No, it's not going to let me draw a line. I'm going to pause the video because this is being stubborn and I can't seem to pick it. And I don't want you to have to sit there and wait. Oh, there it is. Never mind. Okay. Now, the interesting thing is here, you don't have to make sure it's closed. So you don't have to edit the sketch so that it's closed. You do, however, need to make sure. Do you see how this line is on the inside of the wall? You actually have to make sure it's on the outside. I'm going to hit the blue arrows. If you zoom in, you can see there are blue arrows. And where did it go? It disappeared. Let's see if it still... Nope, it actually did disappear. So let me try that again. There. I must have clicked the line instead of the actual arrows. All right. So now you can see I'm not closing this off. I can still hit the green arrow, and it cuts through the roof. If you want to make sure that it cuts through the roof, you can hide your roof. And now you can see there's a hole in your roof. The one thing I want to point out, if I do a section box, you will see this. Is that this roof, this is the dormer roof, comes the whole way to the floor. That's normally not what you would want. So what you can do to fix this is click this wall, edit it, and now you can pick this wall right here that makes up the roof. And this, unlike the dormer, does need to be a nice close sketch. So you can delete the extra lines and now trim using this button the rest of the line. So you always want to pick the parts of the lines you want to keep. And you can see I got rid of those extensions. Now if I hit the green check, the wall's on the outside, but it's not on the inside, which is what you would want. Actually, I guess when I edited this, I should have picked the inside of the roof, because right now there's the tiniest line between the roof here and the wall here. You can see there's no overlap, which you would always want some overlap. So I'll let you fix that part, and that's how you do dormer.